Welcome back to the channel. If you're a computer science student, software engineer, or just getting started with coding, this video is for you. Today we're diving into Git, one of the most important tools you'll use as a developer. I'll walk you through the most common Git commands you need to know, like how to push your code, pull updates, create branches, and collaborate on GitHub like a pro. Whether you're working on a class project or a real-world internship, understanding Git will help you stay organized, work better with others, and stand out to recruiters. Let's start with the basics. What even is Git? Git is a version control system, basically a way to track changes in your code over time. It's like a time machine for developers. Whether you're working solo or in a group, Git lets you see what changed, who changed it, and when. Plus, it integrates with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, so you can share and collaborate easily. Platforms like GitHub host the remote repository, while each colleague or developer has their own local computer with the repo on it. Once you make changes, you push those changes to the remote repository on GitHub, and you pull updates from GitHub that other collaborators and developers potentially had pushed. If you're in computer science, engineering, or any tech-related field, Git is a must-know. Group projects, Git makes them way less painful. Internships and jobs, every company uses it. Even for personal projects, version control means no more final version 3.py files on your desktop. Here are the most common Git commands you'll use, and don't worry, we'll go through some of them step by step in this video. Git status shows what's changed in what stage. Git init starts a new Git repository in your folder. Git clone copies a GitHub repo to your computer. Git add stages changes to be committed. Git commit saves a snapshot of your changes. Git push sends your commits to GitHub. Git pull fetches and merges changes from GitHub. Git checkout switches between branches. Git branch lists or creates branches. Git merge combines changes from one branch into another. Let's walk through a real example so you can see how these work together. Want to work on a feature without messing up the main code? Use branches. Git checkout -b, the new branch name, creates and switches you to a new branch. For example, in this terminal picture, we created a new branch called test. Then you push it to GitHub with git push -u, origin the branch name. Branches let you test and build safely. Let's say you've made some changes to your code and you're ready to upload them to GitHub. First, check your status with git status. Then stage your changes with git add space period. If you only want to push a couple of the files that you changed and not all of them, then do git add and then the specific file names. Then you do git commit -m and then your message to save them, and finally git push origin your branch name. Boom, your code is live. Now let's say someone else, your colleague, made some changes and you want to grab those updates before working. Run git status to see where you're at, then use git pull origin branch name to sync with the latest version. Always pull before you push. Quick tips before we wrap up. Always pull before pushing. Write clear commit messages describing what you changed. Use pull requests for teamwork. A pull request lets someone review your code before it goes into the main working branch. It's like asking, hey, does this look good, before you're merging. You always want your main branch to be a working branch. Whether you're building your first project or collaborating on a team, Git helps keep your code organized, safe, and professional. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more CS tips, and drop your Git questions in the comments.